Basics of machine learning. Have you ever wondered how your phone predicts your next word? Or how your streaming services recommend shows you love? The answer lies in machine learning, a powerful technology transforming our world. We embark on a journey to understand the fundamentals of machine learning. What is machine learning? Forgot robots taking over. ML is about machine learning from data, not replacing humans. Think of like teaching a friend a new game by showing examples. Types of ML: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforced learning. For example, think about Netflix recommendations comes as part of your supervised learning, and a group of mails similar kind of emails comes as part of your unsupervised learning, and AI mastering games is reinforced learning. Think about algorithms, the magic recipe that analyze data and make predictions. Popular ones include linear regressions, decision trees, and neural networks. Imagine you want to teach an AI to classify pictures of cats and dogs. What kind of data you would need? How would the learning process work? Share your ideas in the comments below. How does machine learning work? Let's peek under the hood. It is based on three different factors: training data, model, testing, and evaluations. The foundation of ML: the more relevant and diverse the data, the better its predictions are. The algorithm learns from the data, building the internal patterns. Think of it as a mind map, constantly adapting. We test the model performance on a new data to assess its accuracy and identify areas for improvement. Applications of machine learning. ML is everywhere, from healthcare, finance, entertainment, and much more. Predicting diseases and analyzing medical images are part of healthcare, and detecting frauds, personalized financial products are comes as part of your finance. Recommending movies, creating personalized music or entertainment. What excites you about ML potential? What ethical considerations need attention? Share your thoughts and questions. Whether you are a tech enthusiast or curious about the future, the basic of ML open doors to understand a transformative technology. Remember, ML is a tool, and like any other tool, it can be used for good or bad. The choice we make in developing and using it will shape its impact on society. Keep exploring, research specific ML applications, learn about different algorithms, and consider how ML might impact your field or career. Remember, the future of ML is in our hands, so let's shape it responsibly.